Hey there, pickleball enthusiasts! Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to elevate your game, having the right paddle can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2024. These paddles are the best in the game, combining cutting-edge technology, performance, and feel. So let's dive in and explore what makes these paddles stand out and why they should be in your pickleball bag in 2024. Number 5. Engage Pickleball Pursuit MX. Let's kick off the list with number 5, the Engage Pickleball Pursuit MX. Engage is well known in the pickleball world for its innovation, and the Pursuit MX model brings their signature quality. The Pursuit MX features a raw graphite face that is designed to enhance control and spin. This means you can place the ball exactly where you want it, while also getting some nice rotation for trickier shots. It uses a Control Pro polymer core, which is optimized for softer shots, providing a cushioned feel on impact. It's particularly great for players who like to focus on precision rather than power. This paddle comes in a longer, thinner shape that makes it ideal for reach and maneuverability. The elongated design helps cover more ground without sacrificing control. The Engage Pursuit MX is perfect for intermediate players who want a balance of power and control. If you like playing around the net and value spin and touch in your game, this is a fantastic option. The raw graphite surface provides a unique feel that enhances the ball's spin, while the Control Pro core keeps your shots accurate and reliable. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this paddle will give you that extra edge you need to win. Number 4. DJY Graphite Pickleball Paddles. Moving on to number 4 inches on the list, we have the DGYCASI Graphite Pickleball Paddle. It's one of the more budget-friendly options on this list, but still packs a punch in terms of performance. The DGYCASI paddle features a graphite face, which is known for being lightweight and responsive. This helps players react quickly, especially when in fast-paced exchanges at the net. This core design is common in high-end paddles and is engineered for a mix of power and control. The honeycomb structure absorbs vibrations and provides a softer feel when striking the ball. The DJY paddle weighs around 7.8 ounces, placing it in the midweight range. This makes it a versatile choice for players who want a mix of control and power without feeling too light or heavy. This paddle is perfect for beginners to intermediate players who want a reliable, well-built paddle without breaking the bank. If you're still learning the game but want to improve your control, especially with dinks and drop shots, this paddle is for you. The balance between price and performance is why the DJY made it into the top 5. It gives you all the features you'd expect from a high-quality paddle, lightweight, control-oriented, and easy to use, while staying affordable. Number 3. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle. Now we're really getting into the heavy hitters. At number 3, we have the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle. Known for its power and precision, this paddle is a great choice for those who love to hit with force without sacrificing control. The CRBN X Series uses a carbon fiber face, which is known for being incredibly durable and powerful. This material gives you the ability to hit harder while maintaining accuracy. Inside, it has a polypropylene honeycomb core. This core gives it a slightly softer feel, allowing for control in your short game, but with the ability to deliver explosive power when you need it. The textured surface on this paddle really excels at generating spin. Whether you're slicing or applying topspin, the CRBN X can really enhance your shot-making ability. This paddle is ideal for advanced players or anyone looking to dominate from the baseline. If you love hitting aggressive shots but don't want to lose touch on those more delicate placements, this paddle will fit your style perfectly. The CRBN X is a serious contender thanks to its balance of power and control. The carbon fiber surface and honeycomb core allow for a dynamic playing style where you can switch between power shots and controlled placement with ease. Number 2. Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS 16. Sliding into number 2 inches is a paddle designed in collaboration with one of the top pickleball players in the world, Ben Johns. The Joola Ben Johns Hyperion CFS 16 inches is packed with innovation and tailored for competitive play. This paddle uses Joola's Carbon Flex 5 textured surface, which excels in both power and spin generation. It's designed to bite into the ball more effectively, letting you apply a higher level of spin on your shots. The core of this paddle utilizes reactive polymer honeycomb technology. This means that whether you're hitting a soft dink or a hard drive, the paddle reacts to your playstyle by adjusting the power output accordingly. The paddle also comes with Joola's Edge Shield protection, which enhances durability, especially during intense play. With an ergonomic, longer handle, this paddle is designed for players who like using two-handed backhands, or want a bit more leverage on their shots. The Joola Ben Johns Hyperion CFS 16 is great for advanced and professional players who need a versatile paddle that can handle everything from power shots to finesse play. If you're a strategic player looking to maximize your spin, control, and power, this paddle is for you. This paddle is on the cutting edge of pickleball technology. Its surface, core, and overall design make it a perfect choice for high-level competitors or anyone looking to elevate their game. Plus, having Ben Johns' stamp of approval only adds to its credibility. Number 1, 2024. Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddles. And finally, taking the number 1 inch spot is none other than the 2024 Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Selkirk has been a dominant brand in the pickleball world, and the Vanguard Power Air represents the pinnacle of their innovation in 2024. The Power Air features Selkirk's cutting-edge QuadFlex 4 technology. This gives the paddle an ultra-responsive face that helps with both power and spin, allowing for massive drives and tricky spins at will. One of the most unique aspects of the Power Air paddle is its throat design. The open throat architecture reduces drag, making it incredibly aerodynamic. This design helps you swing faster and with more precision. The X5 honeycomb core provides a soft feel while maintaining enough firmness to generate explosive power. It's optimized for both hard-hitting baseline rallies and softer shots at the net. The paddle is made with reinforced edge guard technology, meaning it's designed to withstand heavy use without losing its performance. This paddle is the top choice for serious players who want to push the limits of their game. If you need something that excels in power, spin, control, and speed, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air is the best in the business. Selkirk's Vanguard Power Air is the perfect all-around paddle for competitive players. Its combination of innovative design, power potential, and spin capabilities put it in a class of its own, making it the number 1 pickleball paddle for 2024. And there you have it, the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2024. Whether you're looking for power, control, or a little bit of both, each of these paddles has something unique to offer. Be sure to choose the one that fits your style of play, and you'll be dominating the courts in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more top reviews and tips to up your pickleball game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the court.